Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add watermark to your Instagram Reels video using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. Wait guys. Okay, and I'm just going to pick random videos from my gallery. For example, this one, and import the video. Let's say that this is my Instagram Reels guys, and I'm about to add the watermark to this Instagram Reels. And wait, I'm going to remove the InShot watermark itself. Wait, it's still loading. Okay, done. I have already removed the InShot watermark, and now it's time to add my own watermark to this video. But before it guys, make sure that you choose this ratio. This ratio is suitable for Instagram Reels video. Okay, if you want to add your own watermark, you can go to the text and then select text again, and you can add your watermark. For me, I'm just going to type in my username. Okay, and to make it transparent like this guys, you can adjust the opacity. Go to this menu, and here you will see the opacity and make it around 40 or 50. It's up to you, but I prefer around 40. Okay, then you can change the font. I'm going to choose okay, I'm going to choose this font. Then you can also change the color. I'm going to go to the text color, and you can change it to yellow, blue, green, or up to you. And I'm going to choose this color. Okay, you can change the border or the shadow and add the glow effect just like this. And I'm going to click on the check mark, and then you can customize the size. I'm going to place it here. Okay, but wait guys, I'm going to edit it again. I'm gonna customize the opacity. It's too transparent. Okay, and for the color, let's try white or red. Okay. And make sure that the watermark is aligned with the whole part of the video. Okay guys, and that's how we can add watermark to Instagram Reels video using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.